Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to install the software from NLCR TData. First, open the website, NLCRTData.com. Once the website opens, click on the Downloads option. You will see two options to download the software, RT Setup 1 and RT Setup 2. Now, click on RT Setup 1. The file will start downloading. Please wait for about 30 seconds. Once the download is complete, right-click on the downloaded file and click Open. Click on More Info, then click on Run Anyway. Next, accept the agreement by clicking I accept the agreement, then click Next, Install, and finally Finish. The software will now be installed successfully. Please wait for about 30 seconds for black screen to complete the final steps. A registration form will display. In the registration form, kindly enter your name, mobile number, and email ID, then click on Activate. The data will start updating in Amibroker. If you face any server connectivity issues with RT Setup 1, please download and install RT Setup 2. We hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.